Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. I am Miss Vachiha, your English language teacher. Hope you all are fine and good in health. As we already started our new chapter, that is the Unit 8, Our Amazing Bodies. Today we are going to start new topic, that is, what are you doing next week? Page number 94 of your workbook and page number 110 of your textbook. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the future planning, as well as we also discuss the future plan of Tanya and David, and also we discuss their planning calendar. Now you can see on your screen, Tanya and David are sister and the brother. They are very busy children. Look at the family calendar, ask and answer question what about what and Tanya David are doing each day of the week. So, what is Tanya doing on Monday? The first question is, what are Tanya and the David doing on Friday? What is David doing on Monday? Now you can see a calendar below this. Monday, going for swim. T. So T represent that it is planning for the Tanya. Now Tuesday, cleaning the barn. So D represent that it's David planning. Wednesday, tidying her room. Tanya, it's Tanya planning. And the Thursday, doing karate, and it's David planning. And the Friday, playing football, and it's both of them planning. And Saturday, going for the walk, and Sunday, visiting grandma. So this is the planning calendar of David and Tanya for their coming week. So use of to be plus verb ing form. To be and the verb ing is a useful piece of grammar. It basically means something is not finished, so it is useful when talking about what is happening now or in the future, now, or to talk about a future plans. How do we use it? We use be with the ing form. It may not be finished because the person is doing it now. These things started but are not finished. It may not be finished because it is happening later in the future. We also use present form of be, am, are, is, and the ing form to talk about unfinished actions. These actions finish in the future. On page number 111, exercise 3, make a calendar for 1 week. Write activities on 3 days, leave the other days free. Here are some ideas: going for a bike ride, shopping with mom, going to grandpa's house. So students, as we already discussed the planning calendar of David and the Tanya, as same as you have to make your own planning calendar for upcoming week, you also take the help from the giving ideas, that is going for bike ride, shopping with mom, going to grandpa's house. Also you plan it by your own self. On page number 111 of your textbook, we have another activity. It is related to opinion or the fact. So, what is opinion? An opinion is what one person thinks, and a fact is a piece of information. On page number 111, we have 3 pictures. First one is Sylvia, second one is Sky, and third one is the Alex. Below this, we have some statement. First, we have to identify which statement is given by which person, and also we have to identify that if a statement is the fact or an opinion. So the first one is playing football is exciting and fun. So I think that this statement was given by the Kai, and it is an opinion. And also the second one is walking makes our heart beat more quickly. So I think this statement is given by the Alex, and it's a fact. Third one is people do karate in many different countries. So I think This statement is given by the Sylvia and it's fact. Fourth one, doing karate is difficult. You will find it difficult too. And I think that this statement given by the Sylvia and its opinion. I love going for walks. It's the best exercise. And this statement is given by the Alex and its opinion. Lots of people play football. It's good for your health, for your lungs and your muscles. This statement is given by the guy and I think that it's fact. Now you can see your homework on your screen. Do exercise 5, page number 111 of your textbook, and also you have to do the pages of workbook, that is the 94 and the 95. I hope today's topic is clear to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask. Now I am going to end the class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.